Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson for a letter Tha. We strongly recommend that all members of the family make a group and learn and practice together. We started with the letter poem to learn Makharij. And you know the first line, which is Ma, Ba, Wa, Fa are from the lips. Please memorize this poem because it will help you in learning Makharij groups, Sifat and other rules of Tajweed. We'll go to the next part and repeat after me. Tongue has many Makharij, 12. These are the 12 from the tip of the tongue. So repeat after me. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Again. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Again. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Next is the letter Tha. How do you say it? Touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of the upper teeth and blow with a light sound like Tha. Tha. If you want to make sure that you bring only the tip out, then you cut the tip slightly. Cut it. And touch the hurting tip to the upper teeth. That way you will have control. You will not bring too much of your tongue out, which is ugly. Okay? Tha or Ath. So don't say it as Sa, like in S. No, it is not Sa. And don't take more than the tip out of your mouth. Alright, repeat after me 3 times. Ath, 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 Ath. And Tha, Thi, Thu. Tha, Thi, Thu. Tha, Thi, Thu. Tha, Thi, Thu. And then we have Than, Thin, Thun. Than, Thin, Thun. Than, Thin, Thun. Than, Thin, Thun. Let's take some words and practice them. Athmara, 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 Athmara. Kawthar, 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 Kawthar. Kathira, 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 Kathira. Kathira means a lot. Kasira means broken or something. So the meanings change drastically. Thumma, 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 Thumma. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.